South Ural State University is the center of scientific development and achievement. Here we deliver projects that influence not only the future of Chelyabinsk, but also of the whole Russia. One of them concerns the creation of automatic control system for KAMAZ that will make the movement of all-wheel drive vehicles effective in difficult road conditions.
Today, KAMAZ is the world leader in the production of all-wheel drive trucks. We all know the results of the Dakar Rally. The KAMAZ team has been the regular winner for quite some time. That means the quality level of KAMAZ cars is at a high level.
The creation of the mathematical model became the first stage. It was necessary for carrying out virtual tests aimed at reducing the time for mistake correction revealed at the stage of pilot testing. As a result of virtual tests, it was possible to develop the details requirements.
Our work, in fact, began with it. That is, we conceived a new car, told that it had to have some 5 differential elements and 5 block systems, and before developing design documentation, we began to build a mathematical model. And actually, this program is specialized. It is used by all of car manufacturers in the world without exception, and in general it helps to design a new car quicker, and it is possible not to wait for a car to be made if we want to drive it in real life. In fact, live experiments are replaced by virtual ones, and these virtual experiments give a lot of information for the analysis, and at the very beginning allow to make changes in the design which doesn't exist yet.
On the basis of the university, ÜTech Profi Enterprise became the main platform for the project realization. The designers had one of the most important tasks to meet, to develop the documentation and the 3D model of a new car on the basis of the calculation results and the mathematical model.
The designers actually solved 2 problems. They have to create a detail on basic data which were given by analysts, and secondly, these details have to be grouped in dual ratio axles. So we don't create the whole dual ratio axle, we create elements and have to build them in there.
The working efficiency of the new electronic and mechanical components has been checked in conditions during which it was possible to monitor the whole process in detail. Different angular velocity, partial braking of the slipping wheel and blocking of the differential. It has become possible due to the creation of a special stand.
Here we estimate all details connected with some inertial things, with some moment resistance, friction and so on. We installed the driving module with a control panel. We installed additional brake mechanisms which imitate pressure under the real car wheels.
The calculations and tests are left behind. The most important stage has begun, the installation of the parts in the real car from Nabezhnye Chelny. During this stage, the specialists will experimentally prove the idea behind the whole project.
It seems to me that work which we begin with parts registration on the real car is fascinating, because at this stage everything will be confirmed and proved that we've developed the system and it works.
KAMAZ details installation is a difficult and time-consuming process. The car has spent about 2 months in a hangar. ÜTech Profi specialists conducted the assembly. Step by step, the car axle kept slowly transforming. Every hard-working day brought the specialists closer to their goal.
We removed its front axle, installed the mechanical blocking design at our university. Now we are planning to install this axle back to the car and adjust the electronics. Then the road test will be taken.
The power distribution system for trucks developed by the university staff is unique, and there is no counterpart today.
As our system needs slightly bigger numbers of sensors than a serial car has, we fit it with additional sensors, additional valves and additional climatic devices.
Months of work are behind. All the stages are past. The car has transformed into the original, but only externally. The most responsible part has begun, the testing. The KAMAZ has successfully left its hangar and went on a drive in the Susu courtyard, previously confirming the system efficiency.
It is early to speak about final results. The field test will also show them, but at this stage everything that we wanted for this stage we have achieved. All our innovations are installed to the car, the control system is connected, everything is working, and we are waiting for the field test on the plant KAMAZ.
Now the functional sample model is to go to the proving ground in Nabezhnye Chelny. And perhaps soon it will be possible to talk about mass production of cars with a new transmission developed by scientists at South Ural State University.